Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adiola, aka Basic Makeup Mother, and welcome back to another video. As you guys can tell by the title, I'm about to show you guys how I slay these edges. Okay, so if you like what you're hearing so far, please, yes please, keep on watching. So first we're going to go in with my all-time favorite edge control, this 24-hour Eben edge control in the purple container. I absolutely love this edge control, but I've noticed over time it starts to flake up and it doesn't help my edges hold like they used to. But I still do love to use this as a base to laying my edges. I personally love using a comb to swoop out my edges because, as you can see here, it helps me get the excess edge control off because I am very heavy-handed, and it also helps me to get a nice precision in the lines that I like to make when I'm swooping my edges. Did y'all see that? All right, next we taking it back with the Pro Style. Okay, I went into the beauty supply and I was telling her my problems and she said, girl, get you some Pro Style. And I said, Pro Style from the 90s? I said, what our parents used to use on us? And she said, yes, trust me, it works. And she did not lie. All you have to do is take a very, very small amount and put it up against the edge control. Make sure you are getting every spot that you put the edge control, that way it does not flake and it will literally stay all day, y'all. All day. What is that phrase? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Well, let's just say I brought back the Pro Style and it has been working for me ever since. This is my secret to making my edges stay all day and for my edges not flaking and looking white and ashy when I'm outside. So for those that have been asking me if I texturized my edges, if I permed my edges, no. I have literally just been using these two products to sleek down not only my edges, but my sleek ponytails, and it has been doing wonders for me. So make sure y'all get you guys some Eben edge control. And is it Eben or Eben? Chad, let me know in the comment section. And make sure y'all also get y'all some Pro Style and let me know how it goes. And just like that, them edges are laid. Y'all can't tell me these edges don't look good. Get into it. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave your comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. And also hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can know every time I post. Bye.